Hey people, I'm on my way to the beach and I want to share this with you because I find it very important and we all have been through this, especially me. I've been through this so much. You know that sometimes the mind has to play all of its scenarios, all of its created stories, and you know, whatever control patterns that are there in order to allow finally higher guidance to kick in order to allow our soul to guide us, our source, our however you call it, higher self, God self, galactic self, spirit guides, and all of this. And this was especially active for me because when I had my awakening, for example, I had a huge awakening 7 years ago, and I was like, wow, look how powerful I am, look how much potential I have. So what I did, my mind basically identified that with who I am. I'm the power, I'm the potential, I'm all of that. And of course I am, but not when I identify with it and try to force it, you know, and try to control it. So when I realized that I'm doing this, I always was, you know, I was like keen to change. I was like, yes, I don't want to control anymore. I don't want to be in my mind, and my mind can't figure out, can't figure out much, to be honest. You know, every desire I have, everything that I wish for myself, didn't happen much from the mind, guys. It happens from higher guidance. Look, I live this. This is where I live. Like, this is my place right now. I don't know if you see this, and I'm going to the beach right now to enjoy myself, just because. And you know, if I wanted to figure this out with my mind, I couldn't. Yet I tried. Yet I tried all scenarios and all possibilities to live a happy life with my mind in the past, and always I reached this dead end. And when I learned to listen to the guidance within, when I learned to connect with that guidance and cultivate more of it, you know, basically be in alignment with who I am, with the source within me, then what happened? It showed me how to play into the quantum. It showed me how to attract faster whatever I desire to experience, whatever vision I have, you know, whatever I want to create, and how to enjoy life. It even surprised me because it was showing me up methods and ways that I couldn't figure it out with the mind, obviously, right? And it was like so much better than I ever expected. So this is when I realized, wow, this life is just a playground. We are made to be here to explore and play and just, you know, connect with our intuition, connect with our higher guidance. And that's ultimately the only thing that we can do, is to cultivate more of this power and allow it to guide us in life in whatever way, basically in whatever way is closer to our experiences, to whatever we want to experience and explore, you know, whatever we want to attract in our lives, our desires, our soul desires, not our ego desires. So yeah, basically this was the biggest, I would say the biggest journey I ever had to go through, and I think that most of humanity goes through this until they understand that there's greater power and greater force available to them in order to co-create with, and not fight the you know, by themselves, and not, you know, we're not alone, guys. We have really this amazing collective universe around us all the time. We can step into the web of life, right, and co-create with that web of life, co-create with source energy, co-create with who we truly are, basically, right, with our soul. So yeah, I wanted to share this message with you because first of all, it feels very important, and only this may spark in you something, you know, in your awareness to allow yourself more to receive, to allow yourself to be guided, to allow yourself to be shown what is the best way, the fastest way to whatever you want to experience in your life, whatever you desire, whatever you envision for yourself and want to create. And also I invite you to my new mentorship, which is called the Playground, which we will learn how to play in the quantum and how to connect with the source energy within us, and yeah, how basically the laws of the universe function. You know, we will master these laws, these basic laws that are related with the human self. Not all of them. There are many. If you think about it, you can subcategorize every single law, but only those critical ones to know, which apply directly to our human experience. So if you want to join this mentorship, let me know, guys. DM me or check check the link here somewhere around the video, and let's speak about it. Now I just arrived to the beach and I'm gonna take a swim. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. I just closed a 40 hours dry fast, so literally I didn't drink or ate for 40 hours right now. I do this every once in a while to completely reset my system, completely get even deeper connected with source and have more clarity upon my life. Yeah, so I'm gonna go for a swim there. You enjoy your day, enjoy your life wherever you are, and connect with me if you feel the calling. Much love, guys.